If your unit was ordered after May 2025, it comes pre-assembled for easy installation. If you're installing the weight bracket on an older unit or the bolts are not securing properly, refer to the link below for instructions on how to install the lock nuts on the backside of the brackets. Let's get started. Organize your hardware. Grab a 7/16 inch wrench and a mallet or a hammer. There is a left and a right bracket, so make sure you use the correct one for each side. When properly placed, the notch section of the weight bracket will go around the handle screw. Insert the 3 bolts through the weight bracket and hand tighten into the triangle side bracket. Tighten with a 7/16 inch wrench. Place the weight on the ledge, followed by a black washer, and secure with a pin. Gently tap the pin in. There are extra pins so you can replace them if they break. Feel free to call or email us if you have any questions.